Good evening, everyone. This is DJ Ray Cool El Sabroso here at EOS Santa Barbara. I'm supporting La Maestra at EOS. She's a guest teacher for tonight, and tonight is going to be an awesome night with DJ Ray Cool and Rico Suave. Rico Suave. Tú sabes, güey.
Yes, I told you before, we're coming here to EOS to check how's the night going. Santa Barbara is gonna make fire tonight with us and making some noise as well. We're checking how is La Maestra going, and this live band is gonna kick ass tonight. As you can see, a lot of prayer girls right now. We need more people to come and support, guys.
There we go. Just have your partner face the flyer. All the gentlemen face the flyer. Go up and 5, 6, basic step. Forward and together. Back and together. Forward and together. Nancy, crossbody lead. Forward and out of the way. Back and together. Stop. 1. Ladies, on 1, I want everybody's hands up. 1. Everybody's hands up. Left hand up. Gentlemen, your right hand should be behind your back. Gentlemen, your right hand should be behind your back. Now everybody look to the side by the DJ booth and smile. Totally not pose. Keep your hands up. Alright, good. 5, 6, basic, or back and together, side to side. Again, back and together, side to side. 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 Left foot back and together, side to side. Back and together, side to side. Left foot back and together, side to side. Left and together, side to side. Left and together, side.
Hey, Rico Suave, what are you doing here at EOS?
You're just here waiting to see how many people is gonna come and wait for that live going. As I said, we're gonna be making some noise in Santa Barbara tonight. What about children?
Let's try that pattern again. 5, 6,
Get the light out of
This is DJ Ray Cool at EOS representing from all the way from LA. Tonight's going to be a hot night. Live salsa band. Yours truly, Ray Cool El Sabroso. This way at EOS.
Everyone.
Santa Barbara. Everyone's there.
With Conjunto Afro.